This video teaches you how to make a very beautiful little daisy bracelet. Let's prepare 5 wires, 2 green, 2 white, 1 yellow, yellow wire and white wire. Reserve 20 centimeters in the front, place the yellow wire in the middle. Fix the 2 green wires with a clip, fold it in half from the middle, put one on top of the line and the other wire hangs down from the circle. What about the thread on the left? Pull it out from the bottom of this circle, adjust the line, tighten it, and keep the top 2 lines unchanged. Let's start compiling a 2-way rating. If we look at this lever on the left, let's take the line on the left first. This lever is on the right side again. Let's take the line on the right first. That is, Sister Shuangxiang's approach has just come back to the side, so let's take the left line first. This lever is on the right side again. Let's first use the line on the right in both directions. Sister Ping's method is to exchange the lines on the left and right to find us to make a few bundles and fix them. Then we put the green thread underneath the yellow line, one on top of the one, and clip this yellow wire in the middle. The 2 white wires, we wrapped it on both sides, adjust the line later. Where we start to make the petals, we use the green wire as the axis and the white wire as the white wire. Now wrap the green line and tighten it around the bottom. This is a 1-by-1 method of tying the wires in a group, so don't make a mistake. In this place, we made 2 groups of group leaders. After the left side of the knot is ready, the right side is the same method. The green line is the axis, and the white line rotates, making the left and right side of the group knot is symmetrical. We made 2 groups of group knots on the left side, the same method. After making the 2 groups of group knots, we will use this yellow line as a flower heart. Tie a knot like this. After tying it, we need to adjust it upward. When it's adjusted, we need to follow the upper line and next to its flower heart. After we finish, we'll put the green wire on the bottom of the yellow line and then clip the yellow line on the top. The white line is still wrapped around the sides. Let's adjust the line later. Adjust it and make this tweed a little more compact. This way, it's even more beautiful. After we've adjusted it, let's do another set of 2-way episodes. This flower must be tightened up a bit. Okay, let's make another set of 2-way complexes, the same as Sister 2-way chin above. After we have prepared a set of 2-way plots, we will continue to follow this method for the next few flowers. After making 5 flowers, we will continue to do this 2-way plot. Take a look at this one just on the left. Let's take the line on the left first. We just got to the right side again. Let's take the line on the right first. The 2-way plot is a circle where the left and right lines are exchanged, and we just got to the left and then repeat the 2-way plot. The anchor recorded all the tutorials are very slow and very detailed. I hope everyone can do it by hand as soon as they read it, and they are also proficient and skillful. Everyone needs to practice more. Let's do a good lesson. Later, on the other side, we'll do the same thing. On the other side, we'll give him the second direction and then edited it. After the 2-way plot on both sides is ready, we can cut off the excess thread. We cut off these 2 green threads, and then we only leave 2 of these 3 in the middle. Cut off 1 of them. After cutting, stick it with a lighter to prevent it from falling off. Be careful when burning. Don't let your hands get hot. Press your hand and take it off quickly. On the other side, do the same thing. We cut off the 2 green lines and cut the inner one in the middle. After cutting, stick it slightly with a lighter to prevent it from slipping. Be careful when burning. Don't burn your hands. If you press it quickly with your hand, you can quickly take it away. If that's the case, our subjects are all ready. Now, we need to make a telescopic joint to coincide the two lines. What we do with telescopic joints is also a two-way flat joint. We fold the green line we just cut in half from the middle to make a two-way hanging line. Let's take a close look at the anchor's approach. Once it's attached, it's the same way. Seeing that the lever is on the left, let's take the line on the left first. This just reached the right side again. We took the line on the right first. Just now, on the left side, the side of the mouth, we took the line on the left. Just do it over and over again. At this place, I did a total of 3 sets of two-way plots. Everyone should do a few sets, and we also need to do it according to our own preferences. Once done, we can cut off the excess thread. After cutting, use a lighter to prevent disconnection. Be safe and don't burn your hands. In this way, our expansion joints are ready. You can adjust the size. Finally, let's clip the beads together. We stick the long and short threads together and rub them with our hands. After we have rubbed the bead with our hands so that it sticks together, we pass in a bead, and finally we make a dead knot. At the end, we will wrap this thread in a circle upward, and the other wire will go around the thread from below the substance and pass through the coil. Tighten these 2 coils, adjust them, tighten the filling, and the tip of the tongue is ready. On the other side, we do the same thing. We connect the ends of the thread, one long and the other short. In this way, it is convenient for us to insert the beads into a bead, adjust the beads to an appropriate distance, and finally make a set. The tip of the tongue will be close to our line, make a circle upward, and the other thread will go under the index finger, pass through the coil, tighten these 2 coils, adjust them, and after the wire is tightened on both sides, we will cut off the excess thread. After cutting, use a lighter to prevent disconnection. Be careful when burning, don't burn your hands. In this way, our simple and good-looking little daisy hand trick is complete. Have you learned it? Thank you all for watching.